Alright guys, so I'm out here in West Reading, Pennsylvania, trying out for my second time Takkii Ramen. It's the exterior of the place. It's located in West Reading. Like I said, it's my second time. The first time I had it, hands down, 10 out of 10. So it's a very nice location out here in West Reading. It's the graphics on the outside. Very clean, organized place. You can even sit outside. Today it's raining, so I wouldn't be sitting outside. Like I said, this is my second time here. The atmosphere is amazing. Clean, you can sit outside. Parking is, it's kind of tough if you're driving. Parking it's kind of tough on this street, but I kind of parked right across the street just because I'm picking up. I'm not sure if we get ticketed there if we were to dine in, but we'll find out. I actually ordered again via DoorDash, so shout out to DoorDash. So I'm just basically waiting for my food to be done. Last time, I'm gonna edit the video. So last time around Christmas time, I ordered the fried chicken ramen. My mom ordered the beef ramen. This time I went with my mom's suggestion and got the beef ramen. I loved it. Loved it. And let's see. Let's give it another 10 out of 10. This is a great place in West Reading to come visit. Bring your family. It is very small inside, so just be prepared. You know, be patient with the wait and everything as far as seating goes, but don't slip up on this spot. Yeah, so stay tuned, guys. Much love. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace. I'll meet you when I'm at the house. Picked up my order from Takkii Ramen via DoorDash. Now it's time to go home and enjoy. Let's eat. Listen up, guys. It's about a 5 to 7 minute drive to my mother's house, and with this Takkii Ramen on my passenger seat and the smell that is coming out the bag, woo! And it's, my face may not have said it all, but woo! I'm telling you, like a good shit. Smells great. Like I'm ready to slurp my soup up. Yeah, you heard me, slurp. I'm a slurp. It's in the Japanese culture, it's polite to slurp your food, and it is rude. Popo, gotta turn off my lights. You know what I'm saying? Before they pull me over. And also, it's impolite to like chew your noodles. Like, how do I say it? Like, you have to eat it all in one shot. So, like, if you take a spoonful of the noodles, you better eat that spoonful. Don't be biting it and put it back in the bowl, because it's disrespectful to their culture. Like, I'm ready to just chow down. Like, y'all don't understand. If y'all ever come out to the Berks County area, visit West Reading, Pennsylvania. They have lots and lots and lots of different places to try. But Takkii Ramen, delish. Like, I don't even want fun no more. I just want the ramen. Whole different game. Like, this place right here, yo, JL Jupiter. If you watching my video, this is a game changer right here, man. You go to Allentown a lot. Come out my way. My goal is to do a video with you. Everybody, yo, tag JL Jupiter in this video, and let's get him out to Berks County, especially Takkii Ramen. Like, let's go, man. Ready to collab with you, my brother. Much love. You always been a mentor of mine, on and off the camera. Private conversations, you give me that push. Yo, everybody help me tag JL Jupiter. Like, this is a goal of mine, is to do a video with JL Jupiter. He's putting Philly, Allentown, Bethlehem, Jersey on the map. And I want to do the same with PA. So, and then, you know, move on up in the world just like him. But one place at a time, one restaurant at a time, and this is it. I'm here. I'm at my mom's. I'm ready to honk the horn like, girl, open up that door. I'm here. Estoy aquí. Vamos a comer. Yeah. So stay tuned, guys, for this banging video, banging meal. It's just a banger, period. So Peace out, guys. Much love. All right, guys. This is number 2 at Takkii Ramen. I have the... What did we get, Mo? Takkii beef ramen?
Chicken.
No, this isn't chicken. This is beef.
That's beef. You got chicken last time.
Yeah, last time I had the fried chicken. This time I got the, what they call the Takkii Ramen beef. I'm going to show you the steps on how to eat everything. So on the top dish, if you're wondering, if you ever order and you're wondering, where's my broth? So up top, they have the noodles and the beef mixed. So the steps is to add it into your soup. Chopsticks. Get the noodles, add it into your bowl along with your beef. So it's going to look like this. Then the next step is the toppings, which is scallions. There is onion inside the broth already. And some spicy chili oil. Why not? Just put the whole thing. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. Time to enjoy. We also do all the utensils. You got your spoon. For those who can't eat with chopsticks, they got a fork and a napkin. Let's see. I should have took off my sweater. The beef has like a sweetness to it. So good. I want to slap my mama, but she right here. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. And if you visit this page, let me know what do you order? What do you suggest for next time?